Your employer may allow you to make holiday requests in RotaCloud. If so, the best way to do this is through the RotaCloud app. To start, log in and tap the blue plus, which should show on each page of the app. Select Request Leave and you'll be taken to a request form. Enter the leave type you'd like to request. This can be holiday or other leave. You may also be able to request TOIL if enabled by your employer. Enter the start and end date and an optional message to your manager if you like. Once done, tap Submit Leave Request. Your leave will then show as pending on your Leave tab and you'll be notified once it's been approved or denied. If you're on desktop, click Leave. If you have TOIL assigned, you may then need to select Leave Dashboard. On the Leave page, click the blue plus button and you'll see a pop-up allowing you to select your leave type. Enter the start date, end date, an optional message, and then click Request Leave.